So what I am doing is I'll have two separate recordings. So this will be a second recording. So we are doing mantra 1. So up till now we all are clear of what how things were explained. So now I am starting from the Bhashya section. Tam Brahma Vidyam, right? Almost the fifth line in this Sringeri. So Tam Brahma Vidyam Sarva Vidya Pratishtham Sarva Vidya Abhivyakti Hetutvat Sarva Vidyashrayam Ityarthah. Whenever there is this tvat, that is a hetu, that is a cause, that is a reason given. Tam Brahma Vidyam, of this Brahma Vidya, which is how? So this is again an adjective of Brahma Vidya, which is Sarva Vidya Pratishtham, of this Brahma Vidya, which is the abode of all the knowledge, which is the support of all the knowledge. Sarva Vidya Abhivyakti Hetutvat. Why is it the support of all the knowledge? Sarva Vidya Abhivyakti Hetutvat. Because it is the cause for the abhivyakti, manifestation of all the knowledge. Why? Sorry, this is the cause. Sarva Vidya Ashrayam Ityartha. Why? Because it is the Ashraya, it is the Adhisthana, it is the Ashraya which supports all the Vidya. Sarva Vidya Eva Sarva Vidya Vedyam Va Vastu Anaya Eva Gnayate iti. Sarva Vidya Vedyam Va Vastu Anaya Eva Gnayate iti. Yena Shrutam Bhavati Amatam Matam Vignatam Avignatam Vignatam iti Shrutehe. So why is it said that Tam Brahma Vidyam Sarva Vidya Pratishtham? Why are you saying that this knowledge, this Brahma Vidya is the Pratishtha, is the abode of all the Vidya, of all the knowledge, is the support of all the, is the ashraya of all the knowledge? Why are you saying that? Because it is the Abhivyakti Hetu. It is on account of which all the knowledge manifests. And why is this so? Sarva Vidya Vedyam Va. All the knowledge and anything to be known, or Vastu Anaya Eva Gnayate iti. Knowledge is, what is knowledge? Knowledge is that by which a Vastu Anaya Eva Gnayate. What is knowledge? Knowledge is that instrument or that by which something, a vastu or an object is known, that is knowledge. That it is this Brahma Vidya is that knowledge by which everything is known. This is also being said, or a Shruti sentence is referred, Chandogya Shruti is referred here, which essentially speaks Brahma Vidya is that by which anything that is unheard of becomes heard, anything which is not known of becomes known. So in this manner, even Shruti supports that it is the very basis, it is the very support of all the Vidya, by which anything known is known. That is Brahma Vidya. Is it clear or is it confusing?
Yeah, clear, madam.
Clear.
Madhuji?
Yeah. Clear, Pushtiji. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
just Just stop me when you are not clear. Okay. So this is the opportunity why when I want me to stop that. No, I am not able to understand this section. Okay. Sarva Vidya Pratishtam iti cha stauti vidyam. So again, it is a stuti being done right now. Sarva Vidya Pratishtam iti. So by this word, iti. So iti is quotation. Whenever they say iti, that means it is quoted. Sarva Vidya Pratishtam iti. So by this word, uh, Vidyam Stauti. It's the stuti of knowledge. By this phrase, this knowledge is praised. Then Atharvaya Jeshta Putraya Jeshtaha cha Asau Putrascha. So again, what does the Bhashya involve? What does the commentary involve? It involves, not only giving the meaning of the word, but sometimes the word is in a compound form. So then splitting, how should this compound or samasa be understood? So then Bhashyakara is giving that explanatory uh, meaning of that one word. So in that one word, what all is involved? That he will say Atharvaya Jeshtaputraya. So actually, the mantra says Atharvaya Jeshtaputraya. And okay, so sorry. Again, Sarva Vidyam Pratishtam iti cha Stauti Vidyam. That is what I said, right? So if you go into mantra, after Saha Brahma Vidyam, there is Sarva Vidya Pratishtam, right? So that is what Bhashyakara said here. Sarva Vidya Pratishtam iti. Where is this iti coming from? Where is this quotation coming from? It is coming from the mantra. The word Brahma Vidya Pratishtam that is quoted in the mantra. What is that for? For the stuti of Vidya. So then Bhashyakara goes, having explained that word, Bhashyakara goes to the next word, Atharvaya Jeshtaputraya. What is that? Atharvaya Jeshtaputraya. What is Jeshtaputraya?
Astu.
Jeshtascha Asau Putrascha. So one who is Jeshta, one who is elder, as well as son, or one who is Jeshta in the sense of kind of the virtues, etc., as well as uh, Putra, son. अनेकेषु ब्रह्मणः सृष्टिप्रकारेषु अन्यतमस्य सृष्टिप्रकारस्य प्रमुखे पूर्वम् अथर्वा सृष्टः इति ज्येष्ठः तस्मै ज्येष्ठपुत्राय प्राह प्रोक्तवान्. Okay, so or it can mean that among all the Srushti Prakara, Atharvaya Jeshtaputraya, this much we did. That Jeshtaputraya means Jeshtascha Asau Putraha. Let me see what this one says. Okay, so this one says, many are the cycles of the Brahma's creation. Of one among these, Atharvan was the first to be born. To him did Brahma impart this redemptive wisdom. Complicated English. But so Brahmaji is, so in every Srushti cycle, who is the creator? Brahmaji is the creator. And he has this son. So among all these Srushti cycle, the first one to be born was Atharva. So in that sense, he is being said he is Jeshta. So Atharva is the first one, is the firstborn among Brahmaji's Putra. Atharva is the firstborn, eldest, and he is also Brahmaji's Putra. So Atharva is the firstborn in the creation, and he is also the Putra. He is the son of Brahma. So Anekeshu Brahmanah Srushti Prakareshu अन्यतमस्य सृष्टि प्रकारस्य प्रमुखे पूर्वम अथर्वा सृष्टः इति ज्येष्ठः. So this is the explanation of the word Jeshta. What this entire sentence is the is how Bhasyakara is explaining the meaning of Jeshta. That of the many cycle of this Brahmajis, Anekeshu Brahmanah Srushti Prakareshu. So of the many kinds of Srushti that Brahmaji created, अन्यतमस्य सृष्टिप्रकारस्य प्रमुखे पूर्वम अथर्वा सृष्टः इति. So I'll let go of this अन्यतमस्य सृष्टिप्रकारेषु. Yeah, but essentially he is the primary one. Atharva was the primary one, or he was the first being created. Therefore, he is said to be Jeshtha. Tasmai Jeshthaputraya. Tasmai, to that Jeshthaputra, to that eldest son, Praha. So that was Jeshthaputraya was done. Praha. So to that Jeshthaputra Atharva, then Praha is the next last word of the mantra. Praha means what? Proktavan. Who? Brahmaji. Brahmaji, the teacher, told this teaching to that Jeshthaputra Atharva. Okay, second mantra is not too long, so we can finish it. अथर्वणे यां प्रवदेत ब्रह्मा अथर्वा तां पुरोवाचाङ्गिरे ब्रह्मविद्यां स भारद्वाजाय सत्यवहाय प्राह भारद्वाज अंगिरसे परावराम. So essentially this is giving the Brahma Vidya Brahma had imparted to Atharvan. The same in times ancient did Atharvan impart to Angira. So the lineage is being said that Brahmaji gave to Atharva, Atharva gave to Angirasa. What? This Brahma Vidya. Same Brahma Vidya was imparted. So Bharadvajaya. Saha meaning what? Saha Angira. So from Atharva, from Brahmaji it came to Atharvana. From Atharva it came to Angirasa. From to Angira. From Angira it came to Saha. Saha meaning Angira. Saha Angira gave to Bharadvaja. Bharadvajaya Satyavahai is referring to one entity. He gave to the progeny of Bharadvaj, Bharadvaja, who is named as Satyavaha. So he gave it to Satyavaha, and from that Bharadvaja, meaning Satyavaha, it came to Angirasa. So that whole lineage is given in the second mantra. The mantra talks about the whole lineage, how the Brahma Vidya is coming from that Brahmaji to up till now, or to the Angirasa. Angirase Paravara. याम एताम अथर्वणे प्रवदेत प्रावदत ब्रह्म विद्याम ब्रह्मा. I think I'm not going to go too much into this because it is straightforward. Even Bhasyakara doesn't kind dwell upon much, but I'll read the Bhashyavans. Yam etam atharvane pravadeta praavadat brahma vidyam brahma. Yam to etam to this atharvane, to this atharvana pravadeta pra avadat brahma vidyam brahma. to whom this Brahma Vidya was told, tam eva brahmanaha praptam atharvam pura purvam. To that alone, brahmanaha praptam atharvam pura purvam. Angiraha, okay. The Brahma Vidya Brahma had imparted to Atharvana. The same did Atharvan in times olden. In olden times, Atharva, Purva, Pura Purvam. Pura means earlier. Uh, Pura means in olden times. Purva means earlier. So earlier in olden times, the Brahma Vidya, which was imparted to to Atharva, or which was prapta, or which was attained by this Atharva, Uvacha, Uktavan, same Brahma Vidya, Uktavan. This Atharva said, Uktavans means one who is saying. He said to whom? Angira. He said to Angire. What is Angira? Angire, Angihya Namne Brahma Vidya. He, what did he say? He said Brahma Vidya. He imparted this Brahma Vidya to whom? Angire. So this Angire is in fourth vibhakti. To this student by the name of Angi, he said this Brahma Vidya. Saha cha Angihi, then now this, who? Angira. Saha cha Angihi, this Angihi, Angihi, what did he do? Bharadvajaya. Bharadvajaya. Meaning what? What is the meaning of Bharadvajaya? Bharadvaja Gotraya. Means the person who belongs to this lineage of Bharadvaja. Who is that? Satyavahaya. Satyavaha Namne. To this person name of the name Satyavaha. So this Angi gave Praha. Proktavat. He said this Brahma Vidya to whom? Satyavahaya. And what did Bharadvaja do? Bharadvaja Angirase. Bharadvaja gave to Angirasa. Who is that? Angirasa? Swashishchaya Putraya Va. He gave it to this Angirasa, who is his own Shishya, his own disciple, or his son. Paravaram. And then Bhasyakara is explaining the last word, Paravaram. Hopefully, I'll be able to understand it. Parasmat, okay. Avarena prapta iti paravara. Okay. So what does this paravara mean here? Paravara has a different meaning in another context. So here in this mantra, paravaram has a definite meaning. Meaning it is coming from one from the guru to the shishya. It is coming as a lineage. So here when it talks about paravara, it is talking about the lineage. So this is how the Brahma Vidya has been coming down, passing down as a lineage. The paravaram meaning parasmat from earlier to the subsequent. Avarena prapta iti paravara sarva vidya vishaya vyaptehe va tam paravaram angirase praha iti anushamdaha. So that is the second mantra. And we will stop here. So what do we want to do? Do we want to go over tomorrow with these, or should we move on to seventh mantra? You make a call and we'll do accordingly.